we're back. Back on the big screen. Anyways, why have I not posted for... I don't know how long. I've been not wanting to because of not having views. It's depressing. Basically, let's get back to it. Old is gold, right? Well, here it is. Responded to your guys' comments, part 8.
Let's go.
Do you like cheeseburger without cheese? Cheeseburger without cheese. I love cheese. Eggo waffle. I wonder who that reminds me of. He's right behind me, isn't she? How old are you? You may not know this, but I survived from ages ago, before monkeys developed into humans. I'm millions of years old. My voice did not develop at all. I have the voice of a monkey. My name is Name. According to my calculations, no it is not. I nearly leaked your name and address. That's not a nice thing to say. Wow. Wow! Subscribe to be right up here in my next video, which I am going to post this time. Yes, I will. I promise.